There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and I'm just bringing you guys this bomb cut crease. I am only doing the eye look, and I really love this eye look, and I think you guys will too. So just stay tuned and keep on watching. So as you can see, I already primed my face using the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Oh my gosh, this stuff is bomb, but that title is long. And now I am going in with my foundation, and I'm just using my Nars Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. And I am in the shade Medium Dark 5. So now we're moving on to brows, and I will be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. How I do my brows is I like to outline them first and then go in and fill them in. I do have a much more detailed tutorial, so I will link that down below in my description box. So to go in and define them and clean them up a bit, I am going in with this Kevyn concealer. I believe it is in the shade 6. Do not quote me. It will be in the description box as well. All of these products you will be able to find in my description box. I do know that I absolutely love this concealer though. It is so creamy, but it is so thick. So you want to keep in mind like the amount that you apply, because literally a little goes a long way with this concealer. And as you can see, I like used a ton on that small brush. This right here is going to show you how much you really need, because I used way too much. So my favorite transition shade of all time is in my Anastasia Contour Kit. Who would have thought? So I just take that light shade right there, and that's what I use as my transition shade every time. Every eye look, it's that one. So now I am actually going in with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking that hot pink shade right there, and I'm just going to put that like right above my crease and just blend that out. So to deepen up the crease and define it a bit more, I'm just going to go right in with this purple shade right here. And I'm just going to put that directly into my crease. So I am taking my NYX glitter glue, because I will be going in with the loose pigment from MAC Cosmetics today in the shade Rose, I believe. It'll be in the description box. So yeah, I just want to make sure that it's going to be like safe and secure on my eyelids. And then with the glitter glue, I just carve out my crease. But however, I do want to let you guys know that this is only an eye tutorial today. It was going to be a full face, but I was using my ring light as well as natural lighting. And as you guys will see in my slow-mos, it started to get a little too dark. And that is simply because I left my other two umbrella lights that I usually use at my old place. So now I'm working with just my ring light. However, the next video will not be like that. I am so sorry. I apologize in advance. After I have packed that color onto my lid, I just go in and blend out the harsh edges with that same old purple shade. And then for lashes, guys, I did use the number 3 lashes from MAC Cosmetics. And then that concludes today's video, and now you guys get to see the terrible lighting slow-mo. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.